Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure prerequisites are done fast. Free up at least 20% of disk space, or about 20 GB, plug into power and a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, open Settings Update and Security Windows Update and click Check for updates. You do this because missing space or a flaky network causes failures. While Windows scans, create a system restore point or backup key files so you can recover if something goes wrong. After the scan finds updates, click Download and let the installer pull files. Monitor the percent complete and estimated time. Make sure background apps are closed, pause Cloud Sync, quit heavy CPU or disk processes so the installer can write files reliably. If a feature update 2H22 doesn't appear, use the Windows Update Assistant to force the feature upgrade. This tool handles compatibility checks for you. You do these steps to reduce install errors and shorten downtime. When installation completes, choose Update and Restart so Windows can finalize changes. Don't interrupt the reboot sequence. Once back, check Settings Update History to confirm patches applied and open Device Manager to update any flagged drivers. If Windows Update fails or gets stuck, run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter, then run sfc/scano and dism restore health from an elevated command prompt. This fixes corrupted system files that commonly block upgrades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.